Section 4. Practical applications of AI for educators' learning objectives. By the end of this section, educators will be able to 1. Identify practical ways AI can support teaching tasks such as lesson planning, grading, accessibility, and personalization. 2. Recognize the limits of AI, where teacher involvement remains essential. 3. Learn examples of real classroom tools powered by AI. 4. Build confidence to experiment with AI tools while keeping professional control. We've explored principles and frameworks, but now let's focus directly on this critical question. How can AI actually help me as a teacher today? You are busy. Lesson planning, grading, supporting diverse learners, handling administrative work. Used wisely, AI can become a teaching partner and relieve some of those repetitive or time-consuming tasks. Let's look at some practical applications. 1. AI for lesson planning. One of the simplest but most useful applications is lesson design support. Drafting lesson outlines. You can ask AI to create a draft structure for a history lesson on World War I or a science lesson on photosynthesis. Adapting levels. AI can adjust the same lesson to grade 6 reading level versus grade 10, giving you differentiated material quickly. Idea brainstorming. Teachers stuck on fresh activities can ask AI. Suggest creative group activities to teach the water cycle. Remember, AI helps with drafts, but you remain the curriculum expert. You decide what aligns with standards, what fits your students' needs, and what values to emphasize. 2. AI for assessment and grading. Teachers spend countless hours grading. AI tools can support here too. Automated feedback. Grammar checkers and AI writing assistants can highlight common errors so students improve drafts before submission. Practice quizzes. AI can auto-generate multiple-choice questions for math revision or vocabulary review. Early draft evaluation. AI can give preliminary feedback. Your thesis is unclear, so students self-correct. Limits. Final grading, nuanced evaluation, and motivational feedback must stay human. Only teachers understand a student's personal growth, effort, and context. 3. AI for personalization. Every teacher knows the challenge. One classroom, many levels. AI can quietly personalize learning pathways. Adaptive apps like Duolingo, Khan Academy AI Tutor adjust practice problems to each student's pace. Customized reading passages. AI can rewrite a news article in simpler English for ESL learners. Student data insights. AI dashboards can highlight who is struggling early, so you intervene. The teacher's role? Interpret these insights and make human decisions on how to act. 4. AI for accessibility and inclusion. AI is already transforming accessibility, text-to-speech and speech-to-text. Empowering students with visual or physical impairments, automated captions, helping students with hearing difficulties. Instant translation, supporting multilingual students in classrooms. An AI-ready teacher ensures classrooms are inclusive by integrating these tools. 5. Boundaries. What only teachers can do can support you, but it cannot replace your human qualities. Understanding a child's emotions. Encouraging persistence when they feel discouraged. Tailoring learning based on empathy and real-world context. Teaching values like honesty, collaboration, and responsibility. AI handles patterns. You handle people. That difference must never be forgotten. Horizon Trax perspective. At Horizon Trax, we emphasize this principle. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. Educators remain at the center, designing, judging, inspiring. AI simply reduces the repetitive workload to free you for what matters most: human connection and teaching. Reflection. Take a typical teaching week. Which task takes you the most time? Lesson prep, grading, adapting for different learners, or admin? How might an AI tool reduce some of that workload? Where would you draw the line? Keeping the human role essential. Write it down. This exercise will help you see where AI fits naturally into your practice. Key takeaways are 1. AI helps teachers with lesson planning, assessment, personalization, and accessibility. 2. Teachers should use AI for drafts, practice, and support, but stay in control of final design, grading, and student mentoring. 3. AI tools already exist in classrooms. Adaptive quizzes, translation, text-to-speech. 4. AI cannot replace human qualities, empathy, ethics, values, and deep feedback. 5. Horizon Trax's global approach. AI is your assistant, but educators remain the leaders.